We're testing out the AirPlay feature on our Roku device. Let's go! Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Roku Express. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything set up. All right, it's time for a quick viewer intervention. Yes, I'm talking to you. No, don't look away. I'm talking to you right now. In the last 28 days, almost 40,000 of you have viewed the TV Chef channel, but only 98 of you have become a subscriber. So would you please consider clicking that subscribe button? Bonus points if you like, comment, and share our videos as well. If you don't like our videos, please give it a thumbs down, click that dislike button, and tell us why in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you either way. Also, bonus points for you if you want to share it with an ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, estranged sibling, spouse. You get the idea. We'd be grateful for that as well. So here's a quick overview of the menu. We have our home screen. That's with all of our tiles, our shortcuts, everything you see right here. Next, we have what to watch, so we can browse recommended content. Some of it will be free, some of it will be paid. So you get the idea there. Let's go back. Next, we have featured free. So here's free content for you if that's what you want. Got some live TV as well too. Here's live TV, right? So if you want to use the internet to browse live TV, you can do that. Pretty cool. So a lot of channels there. Sports, you can browse by sports. Find your upcoming game. Here's the buzz. So some trending stuff for you. Followed by a search. If you just want to search for a movie, a TV show, an app, you can do all that right here. Find the content you're looking for. Streaming channel. So this is basically your app store here, right? So you can search for channels, movies and TV, kids and family. They have a lot of different categories for you. New and updated, featured subscriptions, recommended, top free movies and TV. For you cable and cord cutters out there, featured channels. So that's our channel and app store. And then we have our additional device settings right here. Now I want to show you how to install apps. So we're going to go to the streaming channel section here, and we're just going to grab Discovery Plus. So it's this simple. You just choose add channel, and it's adding the channel for us. It'll download a little bit faster or a little bit slower depending on your setup, but that's it. It's that simple. Let's go to our home screen, and you guessed it, it is now on our home screen. We have successfully installed a channel and an app on this TV. Now, if you're wondering how do I remove an app or uninstall a channel on this Roku TV, well, here's how you do it. So over the app you want to remove, select the settings star icon on the remote. It's going to look just like that, if you can see that right here. The little setting star button. And this brings up a couple options for us where we can actually rate the channel, move the channel if you want to rearrange it somewhere else on your home screen within your shortcuts, or you can remove the channel. So select remove channel. You'll have an additional prompt. Hit remove again, and there we go. It's that quick and simple to both install and remove apps on your Roku device. Now let's talk about Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. You have that option within this TV under your settings to get to this screen where we can activate AirPlay and adjust if we want a code, first time use only, that sort of thing. And if you want to set up HomeKit, you have the option right there. So let's go to our iPhone, and we're going to connect to our Roku device. We're going to go ahead, select screen mirroring. You can pull up if you want. And we have our Roku Express right there. And we're prompted to enter the code that is on the TV. 2789. We're going to hit OK. And ta-da! We are now screen mirroring it. This is what it'll look like on your settings. We're connected to the Roku Express right there. And now we have full access to our iPhone. Woohoo! So let's pull up a photo and a video. So here's the photo that we took. Check out that photo. That is live right now on our phone. We just captured that. And now let's watch a video. We're testing out the AirPlay feature on our Roku device. Let's go! So I can't leave you without actually showing you some content streaming on our Roku Express. I want you to get a feel for how fast, responsive everything is, but keep in mind, it'll vary depending on your TV and obviously your network connection. So we're going to pull up Ion right here, just a free channel. And pay attention how fast it loads.
I'm not gonna hit you.
Look at that.
Okay, stop that. Okay.
It looks really good. We can bring up a menu too for the live TV. Currently NCIS is on.